Founded in 2016, CyanoGuard is a Swiss startup that has reinvented cyanide monitoring and control. We've taken an award-winning innovation and further developed it into a technology that makes cyanide monitoring simple, fast, and reliable. In this video, we'll show you what an operator needs to do to complete a manual titration, and how this compares to our next-generation cyanide monitoring solution. Standard measurement methods like manual titration require quite an amount of material, time and patience. With CyanoGuard, everything you need is within the orange case. Measurement is really simple. All you need to do is simply push your sample through our cartridge and slot the cartridge into our handheld device. Select the desired settings and get results within your fingertips. Let's compare manual titration with our solution side by side. Measurement with CyanoGuard's solution takes around 2 minutes, 7 times faster than the manual titration. The mobility of our solution also means that you can not only make more measurements with one operator, you can have more operators make measurements on site simultaneously at various locations. We also offer better reliability, with less exposure to human errors and interferences. So no more lengthy discussion on endpoint determination, no more manual calculation, and no more pen and paper. Everything is digital and secured on our online platform. You can now access your data anytime, anywhere, visualize it all in a map, and finally have total control and visibility on your cyanide usage. CyanoGuard, making cyanide visible.